Welcome to GeorgeWay Math TV.
I'm given an equation and a table, and I'm being asked to fill in the table. Well, GeorgeWay showed me, or he told me that when I have a question like this, I have to do one at a time. So for the first one, I'm given x. So the equation is that, right? Y equals 3x plus 5. So where I see x, I'm going to put 0, and then I'll solve for the y. Y equals 3x is 0 plus 5. So now I'm just going to solve it. So I got y equals 3 times 0 is 0, and then plus 5. And then 0 plus 5 is 5. So that means when x is 0, my y is 5. I'm going to do the same thing for that. Again, I was given x, and I have to find a y. It's y, right? So back to the same equation. I was not given y, so y equals -3. And my x is -1. And then plus 5. So now I'm just going to do it. -3 times -1 is +3. And then plus 5. +3 plus 5 is +8. So when x is -1, my y will be 8. By the way, these should have been negative. Like it wouldn't matter anyway, because anything times 0 is 0 anyway. Just to correct that, okay? Yeah, so people know that I know what I'm doing. Alright, let me do the next one. So the next one, back to the same equation, right? I'm just gonna, where I see x, I'm gonna put 2. So I have y equals -3, my x is 2, and then plus 5. -3 times 2 is -6 plus 5. -6 plus 5 is -1. So when my x is 2, my y is -1. This one is 1, right? Let me just move on to this side. So I have y equals -3. My x is +1. And then plus 5. -3 times 1 is -3. And then plus 5 is what? +2. So when my x is 1, my y will come out to be 2. Last one. I got my y equals -3. My x is -2. And then plus 5. So I got y equals -3 times -2 is what? +6. And then plus 5. So my y equals +11. And I put it right here. Man, I love this. So all I'm doing is I'm just plug it in. I do one at a time. I just plug in one they gave me, and then I solve for the other variable. Plug it, do one, just keep repeating. Plug into the equation. Oh man, I wish math was this easy all the time. Now it's your turn. I want you to practice some of these questions on your own. Keep practicing, and the more you do it, you're gonna be very good at it, okay?
Please don't forget to subscribe, tap the bell to be notified for new videos, and share.